Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here with your May 2024 3 add-ons. So the 3 add-ons coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So this means you can add on more cardstock, more pattern paper, or more embellishments, or all 3. This is a great way to have your kits go even further and get more new products coming in each and every month. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. And with the cardstock add-on, you're going to get 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So there's 2 of one color and 1 of another. So this is great if you like to do cardstock backgrounds and double page layouts, then you'll have them to match. You can see how well they coordinate with the collections. You can also kind of see the color palettes that you're working with to kind of see if there's anything you could mix and match within your kits. So starting with 49th and Market Kaleidoscope, you're going to get 1 sheet of Pool and 2 sheets of Begonia. For the Cartabella Bloom, you're going to get 1 sheet of Amber and 2 sheets of Sapphire right here. And then for the Pink Paisley Joyful Notes, you're going to get a sheet of Sweetheart and 2 sheets of Jetstream. For the Simple Stories Pack Your Bags, you're going to get 1 sheet of Bubbles and 2 sheets of Arroyo. So you can see all of the beautiful colors there. Next, we're going to look at the patterned paper, and with the patterned paper add-on, you get 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. So these do not duplicate from what's in the collection. It is 2 additional patterned papers. So for 49th and Market, let me get up into the screen here. For Kaleidoscope, you have this beautiful paper here called Floral Promenade. Beautiful mixed media pink with the florals, just a tropical feel to that. The back is a text with paint splatters, full branding strip of these little butterflies, super cute. And the second paper is this one called Treasured Teal, which is beautiful florals and mixed medias again. The back is this awesome background, so we have the stitching here, all of the watercolor of different colors here, watercolor border strip. So that is 49th and Market Kaleidoscope. Then for the Cartabella Bloom, your 2 patterned papers are this cute little bouquet of, looks like wildflowers and even berries. The back is this gorgeous tone-on-tone floral print in that dark green. And we have another pretty floral. The back is a tone-on-tone pink floral. So that is Cartabella's Blooms. Pink Paisley Joyful Notes. We have these long stemmed florals on a grid design. The back are these kind of like, you know, the restaurant tickets, also a library card, super cute. Did I say what that was called? Sincerely. Then we have this really pretty print on the pink and another floral print on the back. That paper is called Sweet Friend. And then Simple Stories Pack Your Bags. Love the cacti print on the light blue. Has all the blooms on there. This paper is called Here and There. We have a diagonal green stripe. Then we have the 4x6 cut aparts. So you have lots of different options here for different types of travel, and then a stripe on the background. So one more look at your patterned paper add-on. Yep. You can see so many more patterns and colors, so you want to be sure to get that added to your Flavors of the Month. Our final add-on is the embellishment add-on. So this is another really fun one that you want to be sure and pick up. So for the 49th and Market Kaleidoscope, you're going to get 2 of the die cuts. So these come with 4 6x12 panels. So you're going to receive these 2 or the other 2. We have a gorgeous window here We have little tags and stamps and florals, just lots of pretty icons. For the Cartabella Bloom, you're going to get half a pack of the enamel dots, so those will play well with all of your collections. For the Pink Paisley Joyful Notes, you're going to get 1/2 of the sticker sheets, so these are going to vary as well, but these are foam phrases. Love these. Happy times and celebration. It has all of the gold foiling on those. Super cute. For the Simple Stories Pack Your Bag, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. We have a scalloped border, lots of word labels, and then lots of travel icons as well as titles. So they have the VW little van. I love that. A passport. Can't travel anywhere without your neck pillow. So we have cars and planes, lots of different things, globes here and there. I love that. So that is Pack Your Bags from Simple Stories. So one more look at your 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out our Shots of Life kit because it coordinates with our flavors of the month. So it's a perfect way to add more pattern paper and embellishments as well. We also have the smaller kit, the double shot. We have card kits. We have lots and lots and lots of individual items. So be sure to check those out. You can have them shipped with your kit at no additional charge. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.